Hello everyone, welcome to the English class. Today we're going to study Unit 5, Food. Objective, talk about food and eating healthy habits using simple present. First of all, we are going to practice some vocabulary related to food. Listen and practice it at home, please.
Steak and a baked potato.
Spinach salad with tomatoes and onions.
Cheese and fruit.
Pasta with tomato sauce.
Vegetable soup and bread.
Rice and beans.
Fried chicken.
A tuna fish sandwich.
A burger and fries.
Now we are going to continue with the grammar part. In this part we have the simple present affirmative statements. Also, we have here the subject pronouns I, you, we, they, and a verb eat, and also the complement meat. We can form a sentence. I eat meat. You eat meat. They eat meat, or we eat meat. And also we have the third person singular subject pronouns he, she, it. It says he eats meat, she eats meat, or it eats meat. Remember, in the third person singular, we have to add letter S to the verb. Also, we have the simple present negative statements. Also, we have the subject pronouns I, you, we, they, he, she, it. And also, to form a negative statement, we have to use an auxiliary, do or does plus not, and also the verb. I, you, we, they don't eat meat. He, she, it doesn't eat meat. Also, don't forget to use the contractions we do. Don't equals do not, doesn't equals does not. Here we have some examples, okay? Read about Sylvie's habits, complete the sentences, use the verbs in the box. We have the verbs do, drink, eat, go, know, study. And also we have Sylvie drinks a glass of orange juice for breakfast. Remember, Sylvie is a singular third person, and also we have to conjugate the verb. In this case, the verb drinks. She, also we have here the negative part, and also we have to use here the negative form. Doesn't drink. Remember, when we have the auxiliary in negative, we don't have to add letter S to the verb. Please complete these exercises in your book for the next class. Here we have more exercises, okay? You have to complete this. For example, we have Maria. Remember, Maria is the subject, is third person singular, and also we have the verb live, and we conjugate. Maria lives in Mexico City, but her parents live in a small town. In this case, the word parents is the same as they, and also you don't have to conjugate the verb. You have to use the verb in the base form, in this case, live. Maria lives, her parents live. Please complete exercises for the next class. Okay, in this part, I'm going to summarize the simple present. We have here the structure, okay? For the positive, in present simple, we have subject pronoun plus verb plus complement. For example, I cook pasta, or she cooks pasta. In this case, you add letter S because she is a third person singular. In the negative, we have subject plus auxiliary don't or doesn't plus verb plus complement. Example, I don't cook pasta. She doesn't cook pasta. Okay? Also, we have here the interrogative. In interrogative sentence, we have first the auxiliary, do or does, plus subject, plus verb, plus complement, and also plus the question mark. Example, do you study English? You have to answer yes, I do, or no, I don't. Yes, no questions. Does she study English? You say yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Remember to say the yes, no question, we use the auxiliary to answer these ones, okay? Also, don't forget to use do not equals don't, does not equal doesn't. Okay, in this grammar reference, we have more examples, yeah? The simple present, yes, no questions. In this kind of sentences, you have to answer yes or no, okay? Do you like spicy food? Say, oh, yes, I do, or no, I don't. If we have here, does he or she like spicy food? You say, yes, he or she does, or no, he or she doesn't. Okay? Very easy. You have to practice, study, and complete exercises, okay? Okay, we have some exercises on your book, and also remember this. Complete the questions and answer. We have here the auxiliary do because the subject pronoun is you. Do you like spicy food? And also we have here the answer, okay? We have here the negative part because we have here note. You say, no, I don't. Also in this part we have, okay, another sentence. In this case we have the verb taste and also the subject pronoun eat, and also remember this is a question because we have here the question mark. The question is, does this steak good? You say yes, it does. Is a positive statement, okay? The answer is yes. Do you want some? Okay, remember we have to use the verb in parentheses, and also we have here the subject pronoun. And to write as a question, we need to use the auxiliary, do or does. Okay, you have to complete this exercise for the next class, please. Okay, to finish, we have to complete the exercises in your book, the grammar reference, unit 5. And also you have to use this link to do the online exercises. When you finish, make a screenshot on the exercise with the grade and send it to the WhatsApp group. Send this activity on Tuesday feed until 12 p.m. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day. See you next weekend.